Hello all. Today let us understand how we can create a list of file names in a single document that are containing in a folder. Let's say for example I am having a folder in my C colon or D colon that is containing 200 files. Now I want to create a document saying that your first file name is this, your second file name is this, up to my last file name. Now let us understand where it is required. Let me tell you a situation. Imagine that you are going to interview 200 participants today. Those 200 participants have already sent to you their resumes. They kept their names as their file names. Now you have 200 documents. Those documents representing their names. Now if your boss come to you and ask, hey, could you please give me that participants list so that I can have a look who are going to participate and who registered, then what do? If you go and sit and write those 200 names, obviously it will take time, but with a single command that I am going to show you now, you can submit your work that your boss asked within a minute. Let's see how we can do that. For that we have to open our command prompt. First of all,
desktop run dial.
I have opened my command prompt.
Windows, Microsoft.
Here we have to go to our folder, like in which folder those files are there, or from which folder do we want to make a list. I am going to my E drive. I have a folder called here CD. 2021. To go to a folder, we use CD command.
CD space
and folder name, enter.
E 2021 greater.
I'll show you before going to the process.
R
that
run dial colon text desktop list. Assignment 1.py 1 of 13.
I have here 13 files. Let's assume these file names are people's names. I have 13 names here. I want to create a separate document. Let's go to the process.
E20 the system the system space the system cannot find the path specified. E20 D CD space the system.
I'm in E colon and my folder. Now here I am using one command, dir. D for Delhi, I for India, R for Romeo, space
dir space slash
B for Bravo,
B space
then greater than our file name. I am choosing file name list
LST
dot txt
list dot txt.
Here you can choose any file. If you want Word file, you can choose .docx. HTML file, you can choose .html. PDF, you can choose .pdf. I just have chosen text file.
E2021 greater.
That's it. Our process completed. Let's go to and see my original folder.
Run dial desktop list new assignment 1.py 1 of 14.
See, now I have 14 files because these 13 files names are there in my 14th file. That is the list.txt. I have given the name.
L list.txt 6 of 14.
Just I am pressing enter here.
List. Assignment 1.py.
See, those file names are there here.
Blank workshop.txt webpage.html.
Just let us review whether these files are there in my folder or not. I have closed that.
Assignment 1.py not selected 1 of 14.
Yeah, this is my first file.
Workshop.txt not selected 14 of 14.
Yeah, last one is also correct.
Webpage.html 13 of 14.
Yeah, obviously it did the correct work. So now you have a question. Oh, there we have extensions also. We don't need extensions along with the name while submitting the work to our boss.
L
Just I have
Text
opened the
editor.
document again.
Assignment 1.py.
Obviously, yeah, in the interview we have only Word document, so .docx only our extension. We can find that extension, we can replace with. Just for replacing, find and replace, I am using Control H shortcut here.
Replace
Here I am typing extension .txt.
.txt.
Just for example, I am showing.
Replace.
In the replace with, I am not typing anything, and just I am pressing.
Wrap. Find. Replace. Replace all button.
Replace all button. I am pressing on this button.
Replaced all occurrences of text.
See, now
Blank. Workshop.
it is just only workshop instead of workshop.txt.
Web title. Web title.
Instead of title.txt, it is just title. So we can replace that extensions and we can give it to our boss. See how simple our job is. And in this command there are attributes also. If you want your folder path, your drive path, serial number and all, you can use dir space without using /b, just dir space greater than your file name enter, then it will give all the information. Or if you want only only text files or only PDF files, you can use dir space. After that, if you want only if you don't want any additional information, you have to include that /b. After including /b, you can type the command star and your extension. After that, you can again type greater than and file name enter. It will give file names or names relating to that extension. Just I will show one demo here.
Notepad dialog. Do you?
I am not saving it. Yeah.
See.
Here I want only text files. Yeah, again I am typing dir
/b space
star .txt
.txt text
again
space
greater than
greater.
Again now let's say just example file name example.txt
example.txt
enter.
2020.
Now let's open our original location.
Desktop list. New fold 2020.
Then let's open our example file.
Items view list. Example.
Now let's see.
Example.txt. List.txt. Member.txt. Page.txt. Title.txt. Workshop.txt. Blank.
That's it. Instead of 14 files, it just find out the .txt files and it separated the .txt file names only. It's kind of, we can assume that it is a sorting also, filtering and sorting. How simple it is. So it is very useful. Wherever it is required, apply this method. I think it is very useful for jobs.
No speech.
Like in the work field.
Windows. No speech.
In the work field, it is
audio out
very
headset.
important. So please use it. And if you have any doubts, queries, please feel free to comment in the comment box. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.